What do you need to feel confident on the bull run? Moreover, in the market as now. Therefore, I will continue to share tools that simplify investor decision making. Today we will talk about Coinology. What is Coinology? Coinology is a next-gen analytics and marketing platform for everything related to crypto. The aim is to provide users with a hub that hosts the newest projects, features economic insights, and offer tools for making better financial decisions. The platform itself is designed to cater to both project owners and investors, giving detailed instructions on how to market, invest, and maintain crypto projects in a way that works for you. Given how much time researchers takes, Coinology saves people's time by cutting through the clutter. Why Coinology? Their competitors focus on a narrow spectrum of solutions, mostly just listing tokens and making them visible to potential investors. In addition to advertising, Coinology will allow something extra: instant purchase of any tokens and like via a built-in DEX. The website will also be diverse, hosting multiplayer languages, blockchains and technologies, such as ENS domains, NFTs, with a large following of people from different backgrounds. The simplified user interface will allow better handling of daily operation, and our unchained security measure will protect users from any potential tampering. Think of CoinMarketCap plus CoinSniper plus DEX Screener plus PooCoin combined. Why do we need separate websites when it can all be combined into one platform without splitting the community or an revenue? To top it off, Coinology is not only combining features from other websites, they are also adding many more that the market is hungry for. One of those examples is ENS domains. There are currently few methods for marketing these domains other than the marketplace themselves, and the community is dispersed across several sources. One of Coinology's most important and original features will be ENS domain support, which will offer the best way for ENS domain owners to market and sell their domains. How will the Mainnet work? The vision of Coinology is to implement advanced features and tools that will provide tangible value to its users, focusing on an intuitive interface and people's convenience. The working principle of the Mainnet will look like the following. A project submits their details via a form. After filling the details, the token will go through Coinology's safety measure, and if no malicious or errors are found, the project will appear on the main page where users can vote for it. The more votes a project gets, the higher on the list it goes, which in turn makes tokens more visible to the public, to participants registered on their website, with each vote lasting 24 hours. But the number of projects they vote for is unlimited. The mainnet will be protected by an advanced CAPTCHA and anti-flood system to filter out any foul play. Projects have an additional option. You can buy premium spot via banners or highlighter spots, eliminating the need for their community to do all the hard work. This framework where projects need a steady influx of what will help Coinology generate revenue. Tokenomics, the Coinology token. Ticker-ology is an ERC20 token with a total supply of 125 million. Project owners will be able to pay in Ology rather than stables, receiving a 10% discount. VIP groups will be available to Ology users that stake their tokens long-term. They will be offered exclusive whitelists, receive in-house NFT airdrops, and other attractive bonuses. After the mainnet launch, token holders will be able to stake their tokens to earn additional Ology. Staking rewards will be funded from Coinology revenue, and the APY will be determined by how successful the platform is. Essentially, this is a unique reward system built on a legitimate business model. The full tokenomics look like this: marketing 15%, DAO 20%, seed sale 5%, private sale 6%, strategic round 14%, liquidity 12.5%, team 14%, public 13.5%. Also reminding that private sale starts on Friday in 7 p.m. UTC on Gamepad and Pink Sale. Pink Sale starts at 22 November. Hard cap will be 60 ETH. Hard cap 120 ETH. Minimum per share will be 0.5, maximum 3. On Gamepad, presale also starts at 22 November. Soft cap will be 250 BNB and hard cap 500 BNB. Minimum per share is 0.1 and maximum per share is 10 BNB. There will be only round with a 200 BNB raised, so make sure to reserve your BNB and ETH and be on time. I await your opinion in the comments and see you in your video.